What is up, all my geeks and gamers? TechGeek1019 here, coming at you with another Forge modding tutorial. Today, we will be creating a custom chest. That's right, guys. We're going to be making a custom chest. Alright, so to begin, we are going to start off with registering our chest. So in our block class, we're going to start with public chest. Oh, nope. First of all, it's got to go out here. Public static block chest. Let's do public. Not public. What am I doing? Sapphire chest. The reason that I keep doing public, which is my other mod, is because I'm actually looking at the code just so that I can get this correct. Alright, so it's gonna equal new, not that kind. Wait, what am I doing? Oh, I'm in the wrong thing. What the hell? Alright, new, sapphire chest. And that's gonna have parameter 0, which we're gonna add later. Dot set block name is gonna be sapphire chest, and we can do dot set creative tab, and it's gonna be sapphire tab, and there we go, and we can do that later. Alright, so let's create this class, and it's gonna go in our blocks. The first thing is that it should extend block chest, not spaced, and import block chest, and we're gonna give it one parameter, and that's gonna be protected sapphire chest int chest, and it's gonna super chest. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the block chest class here. And we are looking for a couple things here because it's a pretty long code. So we're just gonna copy and paste and change things to our liking. I will explain what they do. So let's start. First, we want to find, let's see, the first thing, on block placed by, and we're going to copy this whole thing all the way down to here, wherever anything has tile entity chest. It's going to go all the way down to tile entity chest, and wait, no, not that if statement, right? Hold on. Oh yeah, it's gonna end there. Okay. We can copy that and paste it. Nope, I didn't copy it, did I? Did I copy it now? Oh yeah, there we go. Okay. I copied it. And there should be no errors in this one because it's not doing anything. Next one we're gonna find is on neighbor block change. Here we are. And this is just a really small one. Copy that. And we're gonna go down and wait, is that outside? Alright, now. There. Paste that. And then we're gonna look for break block, which is right next to it, and that goes all the way down to here. Super break block. There we go. That's gonna give us a couple errors though, but we'll fix that in a second. The next thing is this. I inventory. Wait. Fuck. Turn true. Not this I inventory. This I inventory below it, the longer one. And it's gonna return a bunch and a bunch. And we're gonna copy it. You guys can see why I'm copying and pasting, because there's so much in this class. It's just, it would be a pain to type all of these if statements. Okay, and the next thing is this. Copy that over. Okay. And create new tile entity. And then the next thing is, where is that? I think I forgot one. Ah, here it is. Tile entity, create new tile entity. And of course, the block icon. There we go. Alright, another thing we actually have to copy over, there's a couple errors because these fields aren't in there, and if we go to the top, then it should have this field, that one. And we'll just go to the top of our class and paste it up here. There we go. And that should fix all of the errors, I believe. Okay. So we're gonna change a few things here. Let's see. Anything in the first one? It doesn't look like I have to change anything in the first one until the bottom of it, where it says tile entity chest. We're gonna change this to tile entity sapphire chest, and I believe that's it. Yeah. And it's going to give us an error because we don't have that class. It's going to ask us, yeah, it can't be resolved to a type. That's because we're going to be creating it later. Keep the next few stuff the same up until here. Tile entity chest. Oh, here. And this is going to be sapphire chest. Tile entity sapphire chest. Actually, we can just do this. If you press Command F and then do tile entity chest, we can replace it with tile. Here, I'm just gonna copy this. Tile entity sapphire chest, make it case sensitive, and replace and find. Anything case sensitive that has that. There. Except that. Okay. We're not gonna need this anymore. Wait, will we? I think we might. Yeah. Okay, and I believe that's the only things that we really have to change. Let me just check here. As long as there's no errors, we should be, oh, alright. Down in the area with the long thing. Here we are. Inventory large chest and that kind of stuff. It's gonna stay inventory large chest. But it is we're gonna change this in here to large sapphire chest. And same thing with all of these, large sapphire chest. Hold on, let me just copy it so I can just paste it. Paste and paste. There we go. Tile sapphire chest. Good. Okay. And then actually the register icons is going to have to change to strings dot mod ID. This should not be in quotes here. Import strings, and that should actually be mod ID like that, plus colon, and it's going to be called Sapphire Chest. There we go. Okay, now we are going to create the tile entity Sapphire Chest. And we're going to create that class. And it's going to be inside of tile entity, right? Yeah. Dot tile underscore entity. That's going to create a new package. And this is going to extend tile entity chest. And we're going to import it. Oh, I forgot to explain what all of these mean. So basically, sorry about that. I just hit my mic. Basically what most of these are saying is the first one is saying that when it's placed, this stuff happens, and basically all this stuff is just what block it's getting and the rotation, so that the rotation is forward, and it displays the name tile entity Sapphire Chest. On neighbor block change, basically what this is saying is that if you have one chest and you place another chest next to it, it's going to create the large chest, or double chest. This is just what happens when you break the block and it spills all the items out. This is just the inventory. And this is just saying the large chest and whatever. This, I don't know what the ocelot is. I think the ocelot is just saying that cats sit on it. I don't know. And this is just creating a new tile entity, which is self-explanatory. So yeah, we're gonna go back into here. And do I copy the entire thing? I think I'm gonna type this out. Am I? Hold on. Let's look in tile entity chest for a second. Tile entity chest x z pos negative. Lid angle, don't need that. Tile entity chest, tile entity chest. Get inventory name. Yeah, we could type it out. Let's just do it. The only things I'm actually gonna copy are these here. Just to put that at the top in here. Get rid of that. Just get rid of these. There we go. Okay, I forgot to copy another thing. I'm just gonna private string custom name. And this is gonna be private item stack array chest contents equals new item stack, import item stack, and 36. There we go. Underneath these, we're going to have a public string. Actually, should I just copy this over? I probably should. It's gonna take too long. Okay, let me just find get inventory name. There it is. Public string get inventory name. This is a custom name. Copy this over. And this is just gonna be Sapphire Chest. we go. Has custom inventory name. Oh, we're just gonna do all of these, it seems. Right, read from NBT, write to NBT, get inventory stack limit, we don't really need. So let me just copy these. This, write to NBT, read from NBT, and has custom inventory name. Do I also need the function? Yes, I do. Alright, so I'm gonna copy these and paste them. Ah, no. Copy. Paste. Here we are. And we're also gonna want, okay, write to NBT. We don't need the stack limit. The next thing is write to NBT. After write to NBT is not this, it's this function. And it's gonna go down to here. And we're gonna paste it in there again. And check for adjacent chests as well. This has a lot of if statements. And we have another function that we actually have to get. Update entity. We don't need that. We only need, it's at the bottom, isn't it? Open inventory, close inventory, invalidate. This function. There's one more function though. Function 1977A. Did I miss it? Oh, there you are. Copy this. And the one at the bottom. Okay. What else? We need to register those functions, don't we? Do we? Maybe not? Alright. So let me just import whatever has to be imported. Nothing. It's not visible? When did I do that in my other one? I don't even... Oh, I forgot to type, underneath here. I forgot. Or no, underneath this. I forgot to do a private int cached chest type. Okay, that gets rid of those errors. But what about these? Let's see. Do I have that somewhere? Fuck. 14579A. Don't I have this in here? Or did I forget to put it? There it is. Yeah. Right here. Yeah, that's it. Right, this right here. Shouldn't that be it? Let me just continue on, and maybe it'll get fixed. Okay, down here. Oh yeah, I remember. You go like this, custom name, just like that, and you replace it with sapphire chest. Release all. There we are. That should do it. What else? What else? What else? Slot. That's good. Gosh. That looks good so far, and it looks pretty good. There's one thing, actually. Under here. block chest. Block chest gets replaced with sapphire chest. Replace all. Isn't that already visible? Can it not be imported for some reason? Let me import it by itself. Let's see. And I'm gonna go like this. Import that. Oh, there it is. Hold on. No, that's gonna. I'm not gonna use this import right here. Ah, phone's ringing. Give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So I figured out that error over here. It's because we have to replace tile entity chest with tile entity sapphire chest. Replace all. There we go. And why is that wrong? Whoa, hold on there. Except for that one. And that one. Because we still need that import. There. That should get rid of all the errors. And that was pretty much all we had to change, actually. So I guess we could go through what these mean. Obviously, this is the inventory name. And over here. And read from NBT is basically how many slots there are. Now you can change this number by, which number is it? Is it that one? No. Which number is it? I don't remember which number it is. This one is checking, I believe, adjust adjacent chest. Oh, this checks for the adjacent chest. This also checks for the adjacent chest. This gets the chest itself, and this gets the chest again. So yeah, that's basically it for that class. The next thing that we have to create is the renderer for rendering the actual chest itself. So we're gonna create a new class, and it's gonna be called Sapphire Chest Renderer, and it's gonna go in com.sapphire fire dot, is it render? Yeah, render. Finish. Oh no, maybe it's not render. Tile entity? No, there's no way. Let's just put it in render. Why not? Okay. So this is gonna implement oh, just kidding. It's not gonna implement anything. It's gonna extends tile entity special renderer. Import that. It's gonna need a constructor. We're gonna go into here, and I think we're just gonna copy the entire thing, actually. Render tile entity at calendar. Maybe not. Why? Wait. entity special render. Am I looking in the wrong class here? Or what is this coming from? Public chest. Tile entity special render. Something's not right. Oh, that's why. This entire thing is one giant class. Alright, yeah. So, let's start, I guess. Actually, what time are we at now? 26 minutes. I don't know. This is gonna take quite a while, I think. So wait. Where's tile render tile entity called anyway? Yeah, you know what? This is gonna take a while, so I think I'm gonna do a part 2 of this episode. That'll come out tomorrow, probably, most likely. Yeah, that sounds right. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow with the second part of this. Peace.